Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we're going to be creating an Instagram post, just a simple Instagram post. And like you know how to do it, so we go to this plus sign here, click on it, and then look at the this is the size we're going to be using. Instagram post square 1080 by 1080 pixel. So we're going to tap on that, and then it's going to open a blank surface, a blank canvas, and then you can choose the template you want, but we want to start our design from the scratch. You already know how this grid line came about. If you don't know, I'm going to show you. You go up, you tap on this icon here, then you go to settings, you go to margin. So if you go to margin, it turns off. Then when you go back there and go to settings, go to margin, you turn it on. The reason for this grid line is to help you position your text, your elements, and every other thing you want to use in the design. So it will be wise to walk around it. It just helps you and guides you, like the name margin. So when you want to export your design, the line is not going to be there, it's just a guide. So we're going to be creating a simple Instagram post, and I have already created the content here. So this one we're going to be using it for the next lesson, but this is what we're going to be using. This one, we're going to be using this one here. So all we need to do is copy that, then go to Canva, then go to text. We're going to be using free stuff here, so that those who do not have the Canva Pro can also try it out. So just use this one. So we're going to expand that. I'm going to expand that a bit. Then we're going to paste what we copied here. Don't worry, it's looking messy right now, but we're going to figure it out very soon. Okay, so once you change the background of this design, you tap on the background, go to color. Let's use the gradient color, this one here. I'm going to tap on it to change the color. Then I'm going to let's add a frame. So we'll go to elements, scroll down. Let's add a frame from here. Let's scroll down. Yes, I like this one or this one. Yeah, let's use this one. This one is nice. I'm just going to enlarge that a bit. I'm going to put it here. Okay, let me reduce it a bit and bring it down. All right, then for this we're going to duplicate it. This plus sign here, just tap on it and it's going to duplicate the text. Then I'm going to remove this. Every graphic designer should know, because that's like a subtext, it's not the heading. Then we're going to put it this way. You're going to go swipe like this, you go to format, and then you align it to the left. That's where you want to align it to. Then just put it like this. So put it here. Let's reduce this one a bit so that the text can have more space. Then this one we're going to just take out the first, because we broke the text and we just want to take out this part. Then go back to format, align it to the left. I'm going to place it here. So we're going to make sure that it's smaller than the heading. Okay, we make sure that it's smaller than the heading. Then we bring it down here. Then this one we want to make it in caps. So we go to format and go to caps. So we want it in caps, and then we just increase it this way and bring this one down. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like now. The black is not the black text is not really, doesn't look sharp, so we're going to change the font color to white. All right, I'm going to change it to white. Then we're going to reduce the spacing, the line spacing, that's the space between these three texts. We're going to reduce it a bit. That's it. Then I don't like the fact that all of them look the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to um, duplicate this. Then I'll just leave this one. So we're trying to make the design stand out, and we're just trying to put emphasis on a particular one. So I'm going to remove this one from bold. So what I did was I went to format, and this is bold. Let me show you. This is to bolden the text, this is to italize it, this to underline, this to cancel it, and this to make it capital letter or small letter. So if you want to uncheck all of that, you just uncheck it. You can see if it's checked, it has this gray stuff. If it's unchecked, it's white. So we're going to do that. So we're just going to put this one above here. So the emphasis is on graphic design. As you can see, the text have different sizes. Then this one, we're going to change the color to gray so that it doesn't have the same color font with others. This gray is a little bit dark, so let's just go to the color palette and just see if we can find a bit brighter gray. Okay, that's better. So now we're done with this. If you select this, go to this sign here and click on select multiple, select this and select this. Then when you slide, you click on group. So what this does is that it groups the text, so they move together, they move together in one and they won't scatter. So that's the advantage of grouping your text. So I'm just going to place this here. Then let's just go to elements and see if we can find a logo. Just type logo. Let's use this one. This one looks nice. We're just going to change the color of the logo. You go here, you select the logo, go to color, and then we're going to use this one. So we're going to resize that. So you resize using this ends, any of these ends, just resize. Then you take it and put it on here. So as you can see, do you see how the margins are highlighted? So yeah, just put it there. Then the next thing we want to do is we want to add a picture to this frame. We'll just go here, and the title of our design is elements of graphic design, right? So go to elements and type let's say man with laptop. Yeah, man with laptop. So let's see different men with laptop that we can use to depict this design. Like let's use this one. Just put it there. So when you tap on it and you slide, you go to crop, you can be able to adjust the image to fit the frame. When you're done, you click on done, and then there you have it. So elements of graphic design, every graphic designer should know these elements. So the next thing you want to do is to go to text, go to body, want to add like a phone number, +234 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, this number does not exist, but we are going to use it anyways. Go to elements, we're going to look for call icon, phone call icon, anyone. So we're going to use this one. If you go to this color right here, you can change the color. I'm going to change it to this color here. So any color we use on the design usually comes to the top so that you can easily select it. So you reduce the size and put it here. So let me enlarge it so you can see. Put it here. So we're just gonna put a phone. So we have this call here and then this phone number. So we'll just select that, go to this icon, click on select multiple, click on this, and then you group it. And we're just going to duplicate that to use for something like an email address. and just tap on it to ungroup, because it's not an icon for email address. So we're going to ungroup that, then delete this icon here, then go to element and type email icon, and we're going to use, okay, this one is pro. Let's see the free one. Remember, if you want to check, if you want to filter the option, just go to this tool here, then we're going to select free, then click on done. So all these ones are free. We're going to use this one, so it's already white. We're just going to resize it and bring it down here. You have to make sure it's the same size with this one, so you can just bring it closer and resize it to see if it fits with this one. See that it fits. Then we're going to move it here, going to move it here, and we're going to change this to let's say graphic hub at gmail.com. Okay, then see the way the text is, it looks clustered. So to make it look straight, just use this arrow and just drag it like this. Then we'll go to format and align it to the left. So align it to the left and put it here. That's what we have. So we're going to just select that and select multiple, then select this one and group. So there you have it. We have and a very simple Instagram post. So this post can, be used for Instagram. It's very simple, it looks nice. Elements of graphic design, every graphic designer should know these elements, and the caption can have the elements and all of that. So this is just a simple way of designing your Instagram post. You can play around with it, you can change the background color. You see how easy it was for us to design something from the scratch, so you don't always have to use the template. You can decide to go creative. So let me take out the margin and show you how it looks like. So you see it's beautiful. So in order for us to export this design, you just go here, this arrow here, then go to download, and you can either download in PNG or JPEG, whichever you choose. Then after that, just click on download and it automatically downloads to your device.